I was lucky enough for Milwaukee Tools Australia to send me out the M18 184mm circular saw. I've been trying it out over the last couple of days, and I have to say this thing has some serious power. It's an incredible saw, especially paired with the 12 amp hour batteries. It just cuts through anything as fast as you can push it, basically. It also came with the thick kerf framing blade, which, because it's a thicker blade, it cuts a lot straighter and it doesn't seem to move off and deflect as much as some of the other saw blades tend to do. The saw itself is really easy to use, and it's also really comfortable. The handle is in a great spot. There's great visibility to see your cut lines and to see where your blade is going. It's got a massive plate on it. It's 212mm wide by 325mm long. So it's going to give you a lot of stability when you're doing rips. It just plants itself on the sheet and it doesn't wander off. It doesn't move on you. It's easy to control, and it's just got a whole lot of power. It'll cut through anything that you want to, basically. Another cool feature about the actual plate is that it is track saw compatible. So if you have a Milwaukee track, this saw will be able to be used on it. Another cool thing about this saw that came with it is the actual saw guide itself. As you can see, it's really wide, it's really long, and it doesn't move, it doesn't flex or anything. So as you can see in the footage, it's super easy to do long rip. It's got super easy blade change tools on the actual tool itself, and I've found that a lot of tools on some of the other saws tend to fall out or just go missing after a while, but the way that this actual wrench is designed, it clips in, so it's not going to go anywhere, you're never going to lose it. With the saw as well, it comes with a bevel cut, like most saws do, but the interesting thing about this one is it has indents on the 22.5 degrees, the 45 degree, and it even goes past 45 to 50 degree. So it makes it sort of super easy when you're doing those common angled cuts. It's really easy to change the bevel, and it's super sturdy. As you can see in the footage, I did a couple rips and it didn't move at all. It stayed true to the 45 degree and the 22 degree. So yeah, just an incredible saw. I personally haven't owned any Milwaukee tools myself up until now, but this is just incredible, and it makes me really want to try out some of their other things, especially their table saws, and also being a carpenter, their nail guns, so the fix out and the framing nailers. It's been a fantastic saw, I love it. Unfortunately, I've been on holidays since owning the saw, but I will be testing it out in sort of real job site scenarios pretty soon when I go back to work, and so you will be seeing this saw in future videos. And yeah, it's just incredible. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned on the next one.